Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Dogecoin from Bitrue to Binance in 2025. Whether you're looking to consolidate your holdings, trade on a different platform, or just explore the crypto world, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and stress-free. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring Dogecoin like a pro. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Bitrue and Binance set up and verified. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled on both platforms to protect your assets. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets section and select Dogecoin from your asset list. You'll see your Dogecoin balance here. Take a moment to note how much you want to transfer. Step 2. Now, switch to your Binance account. Go to the Deposit page, select Dogecoin, and choose the correct network. Remember, Dogecoin uses its own network, so don't mix it up with others like BNB or Ethereum. Copy the deposit address provided by Binance. This is crucial. One wrong character could send your coins into the void. Step 3. Back in Bitrue, navigate to the Withdrawal or Transfer section for Dogecoin. Paste the Binance address you just copied, enter the amount you want to send, and review any network fees. These fees can vary, so aim to transfer enough to cover them without cutting into your profits. Step 4. Hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to enter a withdrawal code or confirm via email or app. Follow the prompts carefully. Once submitted, the transaction will be broadcast to the network. Depending on congestion, it might take a few minutes to an hour to reflect in your Binance wallet. A quick tip. Always monitor your transaction using a blockchain explorer like dogechain.info. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so triple-check everything before proceeding. There you have it. That's how you send Dogecoin from Bitrue to Binance in 2025. This process keeps things simple and efficient, helping you stay ahead in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.